Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to backup photos in Google Drive. You can backup your Google gallery photos in Google Drive. So for photos and video I suggest you have to use the Google Photos, which is a different application from Google. But if you want to backup your photos in Google Drive only, so I will show in this video today. I'm going to show my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Android screen. So let me open the Google Drive. Okay, so as I told you, for photos you can use the Google Photo application, which is from Google only. So you can log in with your Google account and you can start the backup from here. If you go to the phone setting, here you can see you can start the backup and synchronize. If you on this and you can select the email ID, then your all photos from your camera roll, it will be backup to your Google account, Google Photos. Okay, you that for the with this application you can use to backup photo and videos. You don't need to use the Google Drive. For Google Drive you can use for your folders and files. Okay, so here you can see the library. In the library you will see your all folder, like your WhatsApp photo, your Instagram photo, your download photo, and camera folder. So camera folder will be automatically backup, but if you want to backup any other folder, you have to add from here. Okay, just on this it will be backup to your Google Photos account. Okay, so you can use it to any device. You can download again from your computer and folder mobile. So still, if you want to backup your photos in Google Drive, you can open the Google Drive. Here you have to log in the Google account with the Google account and come to the file. In file you will see your all folder and uh, file here. Okay, so if you want to upload photos, you can create new folder for photos. Just click on and create the new folders. So it will be very helpful to you to find out photos only. So just create the photos, office work, and just create. You can rename anything. So folder has been created. Now you can find the folders. Okay, so this is my folder I just created, and you can open the folder. Now we are into folder. Now you can upload the photos from here. Just click and go to the upload, and you have to find the photos from here. Now your gallery will be open. You can find the photos from here. You can switch the uh, you know gallery from here. Like we are into my internal memory. You can go internal memory from here also, and you can find the photos. There is a you will see the all folders of your phone. Okay, now select the folder and open the folder where you have photos. Now select the one photos by clicking on it and hold it for 1 second. It will be select. Now you can click on this three dot and select all from here, or you can select randomly lies clicking on it and just select. Okay, so it will be upload to this folder automatically. You can see it is uploaded now, but it is manually. You have to make it manually every time, but if you are using Google Photo, it will be synchronize your photo or save your photo automatically in Google Photos. Okay, so you can also upload photos by going on directly your file manager. If I go to the file manager and find the photos from here, I go to the internal or external memory, whatever, open the folder and select the photos, or you can select multiple photos by clicking on it and hold it for 1 second. And I have select two photos. Now I can share it from here to Google Drive. So you can see this is my Google Drive, and now this is my photos file name. This is my account where I this photo will be gone. Google Drive account. You can change the account if you have more than one account in your phone. And this is a folder. By default this folder has been selected, but you can change the folder by clicking on it. So just come back, and here you can see the all folders of your Google Drive. Just select the folders and just select and then save. Then this photo will be upload on Google Drive, which is on a selected folder. I go. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.